Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Virgo and Gem to create a fun, sparkly Valentine's Day mani. Now the first color here is a great staple color. It is called Greetings from Cancun, and it is a stunning like nudie blush color. It's super pretty, and it's definitely a good staple color. It has a cooler undertone to it, and it pairs perfectly with this fun, hypnotizing glitter called Vacay Flame. Now this is a stunning pink holographic glitter. It's a mixture of chunky and both fine glitter, and it's super pretty, and it pairs perfectly with Greetings from Cancun. Now for today's mani, we are going to be making a press-on set, and then we are going to be doing the gel method using the Virgo and Gem gel base and the gel top coat. Now I really like the Virgo and Gem gel base and top coat. It's definitely a thinner consistency. It's not thick at all, which I really like, and the consistency is perfect, especially for the gel method and for making press-ons, because you get a nice smooth and even finish. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun and sparkly, and I really like how Vacation Flame is like the perfect pink holographic sparkle, and it paired perfectly with Greetings from Cancun. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's video in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-on sets as well, and I'll see you in the next upload.